Imagine a world where the tiniest birds rule the skies with extraordinary abilities, vibrant colors, and unmatched agility. Hummingbirds, often described as nature's flying jewels, captivate our imaginations with their rapid wing beats and stunning aerial displays. These diminutive creatures, found primarily in the Americas, are more than just a visual delight. They are marvels of evolution and adaptation. From their astounding migration journeys to their critical role in pollination, hummingbirds demonstrate a remarkable blend of beauty and resilience. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of hummingbirds. Hummingbirds, the smallest birds in the world, are exemplified by the bee hummingbird found in Cuba. These tiny birds weigh about 1.6 to 2 grams and measure approximately 2 inches, about 5 centimeters long. Other small hummingbirds, such as the Esmeralda's woodstar and the frilled coquette, are only slightly larger. Their small size allows them to navigate dense vegetation and access flowers that larger birds cannot. The small size of hummingbirds is not just about being lightweight, but also about agility. Their tiny bodies and rapid wing beats allow them to hover precisely and reach deep into flowers for nectar. This ability to hover and feed on nectar is facilitated by their proportionally large chest muscles, which account for about 30% of their body weight, giving them incredible strength relative to their size. There are over 300 species of hummingbirds, mostly found in the Americas. They inhabit a wide range of environments, from tropical rainforests to arid deserts, demonstrating their incredible adaptability. Each species has evolved unique traits to thrive in its specific habitat. Whether it be the high altitudes of the Andes or the tropical lowlands of the Amazon, hummingbirds are unique in their ability to fly in all directions, including backward and upside down. This is possible due to their ball and socket shoulder joints, which allow a 180-degree range of motion. This agility helps them access food sources that other birds cannot. The structure of a hummingbird's wings is more similar to that of insects than other birds. They can rotate their wings in a full circle, which enables them to generate lift on both the upstroke and downstroke, making their flight extremely versatile. This adaptability is crucial for navigating tight spaces and quickly changing directions to avoid predators or competitors. Their wings flap anywhere from 50 to 80 times per second, producing a distinctive humming noise. This rapid flapping is essential for their hovering ability and creates the characteristic humming sound from which they get their name. The hum can vary in pitch and volume depending on the species and the speed of the wing beats. This sound is a byproduct of flight and a communication tool. For instance, different wing beat frequencies can be used during courtship displays or territorial disputes. Hummingbirds have an extremely high metabolism, about 100 times faster than that of an elephant. This means they must eat almost constantly, consuming up to twice their body weight in nectar and insects daily to support their energy-intensive flight. Their metabolic rate is the highest among vertebrates, and they can convert food into usable energy more efficiently than any other bird. This rapid metabolism requires them to eat frequently, sometimes visiting up to 2,000 flowers daily. During intense activity, such as migration, their food intake can increase significantly to meet the heightened energy demands. The heart rate of a hummingbird can exceed 1,200 beats per minute during flight, but it can drop significantly during rest or torpor. This rapid heart rate supports their high energy expenditure and intense physical activity. The hummingbird's heart is proportionally the largest of any bird species, accounting for up to 2.5% of their body weight. This large heart and its rapid pumping capability ensure that oxygen and nutrients are delivered efficiently to their muscles during the demanding process of hovering and fast flight. Hummingbirds primarily feed on nectar, which provides them with the sugar they need for energy. Their diet is varied not just by necessity, but by opportunity. Hummingbirds are opportunistic feeders that will catch small insects midair or pluck them from spider webs. The insect protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, particularly during the breeding season when the demands on their bodies are even higher. Although the average lifespan of a hummingbird is 3 to 5 years, some individuals have been recorded living up to 12 years in the wild. Seeing their high metabolic rate, the lifespan of a hummingbird can be surprisingly long. However, this longevity is influenced by various factors, including the availability of food, the presence of predators, and the environmental conditions. For example, birds that successfully navigate migration challenges and establish territories with abundant food sources tend to live longer. Some species, such as the ruby-throated hummingbird, undertake long migrations, traveling over 3,200 kilometers, approximately 2,000 miles between their breeding and wintering grounds. This journey often includes a non-stop 500-mile flight across the Gulf of Mexico. Migration is a difficult journey that tests the limits of these tiny birds. They prepare by doubling their body weight in fat to sustain them during the non-stop flight across the Gulf of Mexico. This remarkable endurance feat is comparable to an athlete running a marathon every day for several weeks. The journey is timed with seasonal changes, ensuring that they arrive when flowers are blooming and food is plentiful. Hummingbirds have excellent spatial memories, helping them remember the locations of flowers and feeders. They can recall which flowers they have visited and how long it takes for a flower to replenish with nectar, optimizing their feeding efficiency. This cognitive ability is essential for their survival, as it maximizes their foraging efficiency and minimizes energy expenditure. Male hummingbirds perform intricate courtship displays to attract females. These displays include rapid dives, loops, and other aerial maneuvers, showcasing the male's physical prowess and attracting potential mates. Courtship displays are not just about physical fitness, but also about the ability to control and precisely maneuver in the air. Males often perform these displays in areas where the light can enhance the iridescence of their feathers, making them appear even more vibrant and attractive to females. The success of these displays can determine mating opportunities and influence reproductive success. Hummingbirds rely on their keen eyesight rather than their sense of smell to locate food. They are particularly attracted to brightly colored flowers, which signal the presence of nectar. The concentration of cones in their retinas enables them to detect a wide range of colors and subtle differences in flower pigmentation. Additionally, they can see ultraviolet light, which helps them detect flower patterns and nectar guides that are invisible to humans, enhancing their efficiency in finding food. The ability to see ultraviolet light allows hummingbirds to find flowers that are rich in nectar more efficiently. This visual acuity also helps them navigate their environment, avoid predators, and locate potential mates. A hummingbird's tongue is specially adapted for feeding on nectar. A hummingbird's tongue is long, slender, and grooved, perfectly designed for quickly lapping up nectar. It can extend far beyond the bill and flick in and out of flowers up to 13 times per second. This remarkable tongue has a unique structure that makes nectar extraction highly efficient. The tip of the tongue splits and features hair-like extensions called lamellae, which use capillary action to trap nectar. This adaptation enables hummingbirds to extract large amounts of nectar rapidly, ensuring they meet their high-energy needs from each flower they visit. Hummingbirds have fewer feathers than other birds, with only 1,000 to 1,500. Their feathers are not just few in number, but also specialized for their needs. They are lighter and more flexible, reducing drag during flight. Additionally, their iridescent feathers create stunning visual effects that are used in mating displays and territorial defense. The shape of a hummingbird's bill is adapted to fit their preferred nectar sources. Some species have dramatically curved bills, while others, like the sword-billed hummingbird, have bills longer than their bodies. The diversity in bill shape among different species of hummingbirds results from coevolution with the flowers they feed on. This mutual adaptation ensures that the flowers are pollinated efficiently while the birds get their nectar. Hummingbirds have a significantly larger hippocampus relative to their brain size compared to other birds. This area of the brain is associated with learning and memory, enabling them to remember the location and quality of nectar sources. Their cognitive abilities also allow them to keep track of numerous feeding sites and the replenishment rates of different flowers. To conserve energy, especially during cold nights or when food is scarce, hummingbirds enter a state of torpor. During torpor, their heart rate can drop to as low as 50 beats per minute, conserving energy when inactive. Torpor also allows hummingbirds to survive periods of low food availability and extreme weather. During this state, not only does their heart rate drop, but their breathing slows down drastically, sometimes making them appear lifeless. Hummingbirds play a crucial role in pollination. As they feed on nectar, they transfer pollen from one flower to another, aiding in plant reproduction. Their long bills and tongues are perfectly adapted for reaching deep into flowers. This process not only helps in the reproduction of many plant species, but also maintains the biodiversity of the ecosystems they inhabit. The symbiotic relationship between hummingbirds and plants ensures the survival of both. Hummingbirds produce various sounds, including chirps, whistles, and buzzing noises made by their wings. These vocalizations are used for communication, including signaling territory boundaries and attracting mates. The sounds produced by hummingbirds are often specific to their species and can convey different messages, such as warnings to intruders or calls to potential mates. Hummingbirds are highly territorial and will aggressively defend their feeding areas. They chase away intruders, including other hummingbirds and even larger animals, to ensure they have exclusive access to food sources. Aggressive displays and vocalizations often accompany this behavior to ward off competitors. The territorial nature of hummingbirds is essential for their survival, as it ensures that they have sufficient access to food. Hummingbirds have an efficient digestive system that allows them to extract more than 90% of the sucrose from nectar. This efficiency ensures that they can quickly convert the sugar from nectar into usable energy, supporting their high energy demands and constant activity. These extraordinary creatures, with their vibrant colors, rapid wing beats, and remarkable adaptability, continue to inspire awe and wonder. From their incredible migratory feats to their crucial roles in pollination, hummingbirds are true marvels of nature. We hope you've enjoyed uncovering the fascinating facts about these tiny aviators and gained a deeper appreciation for their unique place in our ecosystem. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the natural world. Until next time, keep marveling at the beauty and resilience of nature's flying jewels.